back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be sharing with you my 8-step skincare routine. I obviously don't do this every day, but I do try to do it once a week. So let's get started. So the first thing is to remove my lashes. And then I remove my contact. Now I'm going to remove my makeup. I'm using the Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. This cleansing balm has such a lovely sorbet texture and it smells so good. Like, I want to eat this cleansing balm because it smells so fruity and sweet. And then let me show you the texture. The texture is very sorbet-like. Literally, like the name says. I usually take this much, but since I'm wearing eyeliner, I'm gonna take a little bit more. I put on the palm of my hand and I kind of melt it first before I apply it onto my skin. And this melts like right away. They don't leave that thick chunk where it takes forever to melt. It just literally melts right away. And I just massage it onto my skin to remove my makeup. The cleansing balm is very buttery and it does an amazing job removing my makeup. The texture of the balm is actually pretty thin. I thought that because it's a balm, it would have a very heavy texture, but the oil in the balm is very thin and lightweight, and as you can see, it just melts away the makeup. I like to use my ring finger to massage the eye area to remove my eyeliner and my mascara. I just move the finger back and forth until I don't feel the mascara, and then I rub the corners of my eyes to remove the eyeliner. Another thing I like about this cleansing balm is how it emulsifies when it touches water. It turns into this creamy, milky texture that does an extra step to remove your makeup. I rinse off the cleansing balm and now I'm going to go in with my gel cleanser. I'm using the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. This cleanser also removes makeup and does deep cleaning. The texture of this cleanser is really interesting. The consistency is like a thick gel and also has a beautiful lather to it. And the smell, oh my goodness, the smell is so good. Glow Recipe products always smell so sweet. I really like to double cleanse my skin, especially if I'm wearing heavy makeup. Don't forget the jawline, especially if you put contour there. And this extra step is just going to remove anything that your cleansing balm might have missed. And then now I rinse this off. So I remove my makeup. As you can see, my face is very clean. I don't have any mascara or eyeliner left on my skin. My face feels very clean, but it doesn't feel dry. However, when I touch my skin, I could feel the dead skin cells and some clogged pores, so I'm going to exfoliate my skin. I'm using the Rose Resurfacing Facial Mask by Then I Met You. This product has 6% AHA and 0.5% BHA. Not only is this mask going to exfoliate the top layers of my skin, it's also going to clean out my pores. I'm just going to take a little bit. I don't need much with this mask. If I had a brush, I would use a brush. I'm just applying a very, very thin layer. With an exfoliating mask like this, you don't need much. I'm taking a little bit more for my forehead. Now I'm just gonna let this sit for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to shower and then I'll come back to finish the rest of my skincare routine. Alright, I just came out of the shower. I rinsed off my mask and my skin is looking flawless. Next, I'm going to apply the Dior Prestige La Lotion Essence de Rose. This is like an essence lotion. Since I exfoliated my skin, I need all the moisturizing, hydrating products that I could get. And I'm just pressing it onto my skin, pressing it into my neck, and just letting my skin absorb the goodness. Initially, I wanted to use this toner. This is the Then I Met You Birch Milk Refining Toner. This is an amazing toner as well, but there is AHA in here. Not a lot, but there is a little bit of AHA. And since I used an AHA mask, I wanted to use a product that didn't have any exfoliating ingredient in it. So that is why I picked this one instead. Next, I'm going to be using a face mask. This is just an aloe vera face mask by Innisfree. I haven't used an Innisfree face mask in a long time, so I am quite quite excited. This aloe vera mask is going to hydrate my skin and calm down any irritation the mask have caused. My skin doesn't feel irritated, but I did exfoliate my skin, so I just want something to calm down my skin. I'm just gonna let this sit on my skin for about 10 minutes. Here's a little tip about sheet mask. You want to remove the mask before it completely dries out. When the mask starts to dry out, your skin will dry out with the mask. However, when you remove it while it's still moist, your skin is gonna maintain its moisture. So therefore, always remove your mask while it's still wet. I'm gonna let this sit and I'll be right back. All right, so time to remove my face mask. So I'm just going to massage the excess serum into my skin. I know a lot of people like fan it to dry it off, but instead of doing that, just massage it into your skin. If you have a gua sha, you could also use a gua sha, but I don't have a gua sha, so I'm just gonna use my hand. You could also tap the product into your skin. All right, I have 3 steps left. So next, I'm going to use an essence. This is the Jumiso Snail Mucin 95 plus Peptide Facial Essence. So this essence is really going to help soothe and put hydration back into my skin. And the texture is very gooey because of the snail mucin. There's like fireworks happening outside right now. I don't know why there are fireworks. It's like one of the things that I don't understand about America is that people just randomly light up fireworks. So if you hear like a popping noise, it's the fireworks. For my serum, I'm gonna be using a vitamin C. This is the dr.althea Vitamin C Boosting Serum. Vitamin C is such a powerful ingredient and so good for your skin. I highly recommend adding vitamin C into your skincare routine, whether it's a serum, an essence, a face mask, a moisturizer. Just have some kind of vitamin C because it's so good for your skin. It's anti-aging, it brightens your skin. It's just so beneficial for your skin. My skin already is glowing and it just feels so soft and healthy. Finally, to seal everything in, I'm going to be using Then I Met You Renewing Rich Beauty Cream. I really enjoy using this cream because it is thick, it is moisturizing, it is soothing, it is nourishing, and even though it is a pretty thick cream, it doesn't feel heavy. I mean, it just absorbs right into my skin. So I love using this. I'm all out, so I'm kind of saving it and using it whenever I exfoliate my skin. But it's just such a beautiful, luxurious face cream. There's actually one more step left, which is my lip mask. This is Then I Met You Honeydew Lip Mask. It is very moisturizing and hydrating for my lips. I also like to apply this during the day because the gloss. Look how glossy this lip mask is. Alright, so this was my 8-step skincare routine. Thank you so much for joining me. Please like this video and comment your favorite face mask. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!